Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming access. Sign into your Exchange/Office 365 account to ensure the server will supply mailbox data. Once done, close Outlook completely and note your account settings. You'll need them when Outlook recreates the file. Make a quick backup by renaming the OSD to old. That preserves data while forcing a rebuild. This first step avoids data loss and guarantees Outlook can redownload mail, calendar, and contacts rather than attempting risky repairs. Now force Outlook to create a fresh OSD. Launch Outlook while connected to the network and let it detect the missing file. Synchronization begins automatically. If Outlook doesn't start cleanly or sync stalls, recreate the profile via Control Panel, right arrow Mail, right arrow Add Profile, re-add your account, then start Outlook. Make sure Cached Exchange Mode is configured as required. This controls what Outlook downloads. These steps replace a corrupted OSD with a new local copy that mirrors the mailbox on the server. Finish by verifying that mail, calendar, and contacts are complete. Check the folder counts and the status bar for synchronization progress. Once everything is present, compact the new OSD if it's large and adjust the sync slider to control how much history downloads. If synchronization never completes or server access is blocked, use Outlook Web Access to reach your mailbox and retrieve any missing items or export critical mail from the renamed old file. That's your key troubleshooting step if the automatic rebuild.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.